Hey folks, got another quick unboxing for you here. This is I'm trying to pronounce this right now, Abxylute. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Abxylute S9 mobile tablet gaming controller. I was really excited about this because when I have my kids in the car and we're going for a drive or whatever, I have multiple cell phones. And it'd be easy on those journeys if the kids can have something like this to play their games on my phone to occupy them on the drive, or even me when I'm doing something, maybe a physical therapy or something, and I'm sitting there getting my knee iced or whatever. So for some reason, I looked at this and then I saw the reviews on Amazon too, and it has great reviews. So I was glad to be able to give it a shot. So let's not delay any longer. Let's get into it. Brown box, open up. It did not come with a seal on here, so even though you see me doing that, this is the first time opening it. Um, Little box. Let's see what we have here. It looks like replacement controller parts, I would bet. It looks like the knobs and the piece. It might be replacement or I might have to put them on. We'll see when we open it up. But you can see, yes, they're the bars and the knobs that you use on the controller. Take that out. What we have here, this is obviously the user manual. Very small user manual, but the print is okay. It's not crazy small. There's an app, an ABXY Abzy mobile app. I'm assuming that links the two that allows you to play the games. This is seeming like the fun I expected already. And then the main event. Look at that. That is the let me check here to make sure there's nothing else in the box so we can get this box out the way. There is nothing else in the box. That's pretty simple. That's nice. So here is the controller. Um, Comes with these two protective, shipped well. So those extra parts you saw here in the little box, obviously this and these, right? Stretches open. You've got like a normal controller, X, Y, A, B buttons. Looks like a home button, a power something button, memory button. Um, Not sure what the other one is. You've got the buttons on the top, like a usual controller. These your buttons, USB C underneath here. Left and right buttons underneath. That's an interesting place. I guess when you're holding that, you've got these buttons you can press too. And just to show you real quick, I've got a OnePlus um, 12, and I think this is a 12 Pro. It's got USB-C. It does have a case on it. They say this will accommodate a case. Let's see. Let's open it up. Pretty much that's it. Perfect. So I can't wait to install the app and get going. Abxylute S9 gaming controller. Check out the full review using the link in the description of this video.